Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're following me on Instagram, you would know by now that we have come to our homeland, Kerala, for a very short break. So this video is all about getting ready, packing and all that. I will be carrying two bags, my handbag and the other that's my mommy bag or Liyaan's baby bag. Traveling with an infant is always a hectic task, so you need to prepare for it well. There will be a couple or more towels and 2 or more sets of dresses. His ear band or ear muff, whatever you may call it, a water bottle. These are 2 organic fruit pulp. I will prepare some food for him and pack it in his tiffin as well. These pulps are for extra needs. This is a diaper bag that keeps the diapers intact, very much needed, or else it will just get squished in the bag. That's his silicone apron to be used while being fed, some soft toys and others. This is what I have carried, but it all depends on how long your flight is. Mine was 3 hours journey and it was 3 more hours at the airport, so this was good enough. Also, it depends on the age of your child, their eating habits or preferences. I bought a travel kit that you get almost everywhere. It's very useful as you don't have to pack the whole bottle or packet. It comes in various types. In this, I'm keeping his body wash. In this type of bottle, I'm pouring his baby lotion, which is used after a bath. In this goes his baby oil, and I have used a spray bottle, as I thought that would be better than the pouring way. I use oil only after bath and not before the bath. I had been doing the same for Rihan and Arman and they still do it that way. I have one hand carry bag or trolley and I always pack dresses that we will need soon after we reach home. That saves a lot of time and effort in opening the big baggage and searching for each one's dress. So each one of our dresses, a pair of them, will be packed in the trolley bag. For Liyaan, I had kept it in his baby bag. I don't mix up his dresses with ours. Traveling with him was not at all comfortable, that too for the first time, but it was manageable as we all were together. This was his first flight and I'm always worried about the ear balance of children. Rihan's first flight experience was something I will never forget. It was so painful for him that he cried almost till the destination. He still feels uncomfortable while taking off and landing, but thank God it's not the same with Arman and Liyaan. Only after a couple of flights with Rihan, I came to know that the solution for ear balance is to feed the baby while landing and taking off. Our flight screens have completely changed now. It's some kind of kids' movies or cartoons, and mine is a flight map looking at how much more time is left. On reaching, everyone was so excited to meet Liyaan. So it always feels good to be home with our parents and siblings. And this time we are seeing them after more than a year. A lot of changes in kids, all of them have grown up. Our home is still well maintained thanks to my parents in law because it's their effort that they put into maintaining the home this week. It's just that I couldn't shoot videos like before, but like every time my in laws came home and we all have a good time staying together. We are here for a very short break, so we are trying to be with everyone as much as possible. Later, we will miss these moments after we leave back to Muscat. In between, I had a function I had to attend, some works to be completed, but all these I was with my baby and taking videos with him wasn't easy at all. The sister who comes to help us, you must have seen her in my old videos when we were in Kerala for a year.
ഫുള്ളെടുക്കേ നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടോ ചേച്ചിയെ ചക്ക ഉണ്ടോ അറിയില്ല താഴെ രസം കാണാൻ താഴെ കറു
ചക്കയെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞതാ
ഇനി പഴുക്കേണ്ടി വരും അല്ലേ
ഇതൊക്കെ ചക്കയെന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞു
These are spinach harvested from our vegetable garden. Lots of other vegetables were also harvested later. Another day, we went for dinner at my parents' home, and mom cooked delicious food as always. Feel blessed to have moms on both sides who cooks very tasty food. So that's all for today's video. See you with more vlogs from Kerala. Until then, take care. Bye bye.